I'm Lori with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker, and I'm standing in the beautiful kitchen of 43 Pompey Road in Ashford, Connecticut. This 3,000 square feet set on 3 acres is so special. It is one of a kind. And for this fabulous price of $459.9, you are going to get a whole lot of stuff for your money. You can look at this beautiful maple kitchen with granite countertops. You have a plant sill, you have a garden window. It's open to a huge living room and dining room that is just fabulous. It's a 2-story dining room with a balcony that overlooks it. It also has palladium windows in there. There's such a bright home. It really is special. Upstairs you have a huge primary suite. It's just enormous. You have a first floor laundry, 5 bedrooms, or you could use one as an office, a couple of bathrooms, a full basement, and so much more. So if you'd like to be among the first to receive photos of this special home, then send us an email at team@teamgabriel.net or give us a call at 860-618-6233. We look forward to hearing from you.